Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how to change your Reddit password. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into the video. For this video, we're gonna change the password using the website of Reddit. If you're using the app of Reddit, it's also pretty much the same process. First of all, open up the Reddit website and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, just click on the arrow on the top right. Once you click on it, this drop down menu will open up where you'll just need to click on user settings. From the user settings under accounts, you can see all of your information such as your email address and your password. To change your password, just click on change. And it's going to take you to a section where you can now successfully create the new password of Reddit. Now before you change your password, you need to type in your old password. So type in your old password first. And in the second box, you can now create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and also include numbers, letters and special characters. Lastly, you'll again need to confirm your password. Once you fill in all these 3 boxes, you'll see a section of log me out everywhere. It says changing your password logs you out of all of your browsers on your devices. So if you want to log out of all of the devices that you are currently logged into, you can check this or toggle this option on and you can just click on save. And depending upon which option you choose, if you choose to log out of all of the devices, you'll also be logged out of this account and you'll again need to type in your details to log into your Reddit account. So that's the easy process of changing your password of Reddit. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful and also turn on the notifications of our channel so you get notified for more interesting videos. I'll be back soon with more. Thanks for watching.